Now, onto the fifth property of water. Ice is less dense than water. As water gets colder, it becomes ice, but unlike other liquid, it doesn't sink. Instead, it floats. How do we account for this property? It is important that ice float for two reasons. Let's take the ocean as an example, where there are many fishes. If ice sank instead of float, then the fish would die, and fish is a large source of food for us. Reason number two, as ice floats, it eventually becomes a layer of frozen ice on top. This will act like a blanket and acts like an insulation, keeping the bottom warm and preventing heat loss. You might think it's cold, but for the fish, it's really warm. Lastly, water is a universal solvent. When you put sugar in water, the sugar is being dissolved. Sugar is known as the solute, and water is the solvent. Solvent is the one that is doing the dissolving. Yes, and why would dissolving things be important? That would be a good reason, but not an important reason. What happens to things that get dissolved? And given that our body is full of water and our cells are so small, we can't see them, can you tie those two together? Correct. We can't feed ourselves in large chunk, so all six properties of water are possible because of what? Alright, we're done with the important properties of water. Next, we'll talk about acids and bases.